Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 10 Traders, Kings and Pilgrims. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section The Quest of the Pilgrims, Part 2. This comprises 8 questions. Question 1. The dash pilgrims are the Chinese Buddhist pilgrims. Options are best known, worst known, unknown, least popular. Your time to choose. And the answer is best known. So, the best known pilgrims are the Chinese Buddhist pilgrims. Question 2. The best known pilgrims are dash. The options are the Afghan Buddhist pilgrims, the Chinese Jain pilgrims, the Indian Buddhist pilgrims, the Chinese Buddhist pilgrims. Your time to choose. And the answer is the Chinese Buddhist pilgrims. So, the best known pilgrims are the Chinese Buddhist pilgrims. Question 3. The best known Chinese Buddhist pilgrims are dash. The options are Fa Xuan, Xuan Zhang, I King, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, the best known Chinese Buddhist pilgrims are Fa Xuan, Xuan Zhang and I King. Question 4. Fa Xuan came to the subcontinent about dash. The options are 1100 years ago, 1300 years ago, 1600 years ago, 1800 years ago. Your time to choose. And the answer is 1600 years ago. So, Fa Xuan came to the subcontinent about 1600 years ago. Question 5. Xuan Zhang came to the subcontinent around dash. The options are 1300 years ago, 1400 years ago, 1500 years ago, 1700 years ago. Your time to choose. And the answer is 1400 years ago. So, Xuan Zhang came to the subcontinent around 1400 years ago. Next question. 6. I King came to the subcontinent about dash. The options are 1150 years ago, 1250 years ago, 1350 years ago, 1450 years ago. Your time to choose. And the answer is 1350 years ago. So, I King came to the subcontinent about 1350 years ago. Question 7. I King came to the subcontinent about dash Xuan Zhang. The options are 50 years after, 50 years before, 100 years after, 90 years after. Your time to choose. And the answer is 50 years after. So, I King came to the subcontinent about 50 years after Xuanzang. Last question, 8. The Chinese Buddhist pilgrims came to visit dash. The options are places associated with the life of the Buddha, famous monasteries, A and B, temples. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, the Chinese Buddhist pilgrims came to visit places associated with the life of the Buddha and famous monasteries. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section The Quest of the Pilgrims Part 2. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section The Quest of the Pilgrims Part 3. I'll see you there.